Hey there, welcome to iThinkDev. Are you curious about Windows 11's nightlight feature? Well, you're in luck, because today I'm going to show you the best guide to use it like a pro and get the most out of your Windows 11 experience. So, let's dive right in. To get started, open up your Windows 11 settings by clicking on Start menu button and then selecting the gear icon. Now, click on Display. Once you're in the display settings, you'll find the nightlight option right at the top. Click on it to get started with customizing your nightlight experience. First, what you're going to do is click on Turn On Now. Now you can easily schedule your nightlight for automatic activation. Just click on the toggle switch next to Schedule and voila! You can set the time when you want your nightlight to turn on and turn off automatically. But what if you don't want to stick to the default schedule? No worries, you can manually adjust the intensity of your nightlight by dragging the slider to your desired warmth level. Now here's a pro tip for you. If you want to temporarily disable the nightlight feature without changing your schedule, simply press Windows key plus A to open the Action Center. Then click on the nightlight title. Super convenient, right? But there's more. Windows 11 comes with a nifty sunset to sunrise option. Windows 11 will automatically adjust your nightlight according to your location and the local sunset and sunrise times. So whether you're a night owl or just prefer a more soothing screen in the evening, Windows 11's nightlight feature has got you covered. It's easy to set up, customizable, and helps reduce eye strain. Plus, it looks pretty cool too. So that's it for today's video. I hope the guide helps you unlock the full potential of Windows 11's nightlight feature. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome tech videos. And as always, stay curious and keep exploring.